Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to deposit money on Pocket Option with Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First thing that we'll do is go on to your Play Store and look up for Cash App. And then update and install the Cash App. Once you have Cash App installed, let's go ahead and open it up. Once you open it up, we're going to go on the bottom left to the banking option. And right here you'll see it says Bitcoin. Press on that and you should have some Bitcoin already bought. Alright, and now we're over to our laptop. What we're going to do is go to Google and look up Pocket Option. Now we're going to go to the website. Once you've logged in, we're going to go ahead and click on Deposit right here. Here, look for Bitcoin or search it right here. But we're going to find Bitcoin right here. Once you click on Bitcoin, we're going to enter the amount of Bitcoin that we like to transfer from Cash App to up here. So for example, if I invested in $10 on Bitcoin, right here we're going to put $10. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and go on Continue. And right here you says to complete the payment, you must transfer this many Bitcoin. And this is the address that they will give to you. But what we specifically need is this QR code right here. Once we've gotten our QR code on Pocket Option, we're going to head back over to the Bitcoin screen on our phones. I'm going to press this arrow icon to share. They're going to hit Send Bitcoin. They're going to enter the amount that we'd like to send. And then on the top left, we're going to hit that grid icon. And then you have to scan that QR code that Pocket Option has given you. Once you have scanned the QR code, it will bring you this page. And here we'll choose whether we would like to make a priority, which it'll deposit in 10 minutes, or rush, which would be 2 hours. I should go with priority and go to next. Alright, now we're back to our laptop. Once you have sent it through your Cash App, we're going to head on over to History. Up here you'll see the status of your deposit right here. It says pending, and it will say pending for you as well. Give it as much as 10 to 2 hours status to change, and you will have successfully deposited money into your Pocket Option. So that's basically how you can deposit money on Pocket Option with Cash App. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.